Hello! Today I wanted to introduce you all to my collection of Christmas mini puzzles. And let's dive right into it. I wanted to start off with these cracker puzzles. And they're from Wentworth, which is an English company. And they're really cute because they pop open like this. And inside each one is an organza bag with the pieces. So the pictures on the outside, they have a bunch of different designs, and I think they have new designs every year. This particular one, oops. So there's 25 pieces in this one. There's a number of whimsies. This one looks like an elf face. This one's a reindeer face. And this one's a Santa face. So Wentworth laser carves details into their whimsy pieces that you can't really see from the front side. But when you flip them over and look at the wooden side, you get to see them quite clearly. So let's put together this puzzle and see what it looks like. And there you have it, a cute little mini puzzle. So they come with different designs. This one is a nutcracker. This one's a snowman. And here's a Christmas tree. Very traditional Christmassy images. These two are Christmas baubles. They're different images. They're from Gibson's. Also an English brand. But I love how it would work as an ornament on your tree with ribbon and everything. So let's open this one. So this is a 200-piece puzzle, and it comes with the puzzle image on a small poster inside, I believe. The box cleverly unlocks. There's a little interlocking area here. Opens up, and the puzzle comes out, and here's the poster. There's a bunch of ornaments and Christmas cookies, and here's the puzzle. This is Sugar and Spice Bauble Puzzle by Gibson's. So let's pick one of these. These are 130-piece mini puzzles from Gallison. And I'm going to open it from the bottom. It comes with a little poster. And the puzzle's in the bag. These pieces are a little smaller than the Gibson's. There's also a smaller piece count. If I'm not wrong, the artist for this should be Louis Cunningham. There it is, artwork by Louis Cunningham. Gallison also has an advent calendar with 12 days of art. I did that in the past. And there you have it. And last but not least, I got this off eBay because I don't know if this is still in production, but it's a little puzzle ball from Ravensburger. So this was made in 2006, 18 years ago. It comes with a little sheet of instructions. Here's a bag of the pieces and a little golden string. There's a numbered diagram of how to assemble the pieces. Puzzle by numbers. Start at number 1. Create your puzzle clockwise. Top, bottom, puzzle by picture. Middle. So you have a choice of puzzle by the number or puzzle by picture. And they give you instructions for both here. And the pieces are slightly curved, and there's numbers printed on them with a little arrow. So this seems to be a standard way of marking plastic round puzzles. I guess not just round, any 3D plastic puzzles. But you, instead of puzzling by the picture, you use the numbers and assemble it that way. I think I'm going to puzzle by picture this time. It will be a bit slower, but I think I'll have more fun with it. That looks good. Let's do the bottom. This looks correct. Now we have the 2 halves. And let's go by the picture and put together the rest of the image. And there's the middle strip. Aha, got it. And there you have it. So that's a pretty unique puzzle ball ornament. It's 60 pieces. It's about 3 inches across. And I think they make them in other images now, but not Christmas theme. But it's lovely. So here's my little collection of Christmas mini puzzles. If you enjoyed this, please consider subscribing. I would love to show you more of my other collections of puzzles. I hope you have a very happy holiday season. Until next time, happy puzzling!